With tranquil harbour views as your backdrop to this apartment filled with character and charm. I'm Mitchell Soinova and welcome to another Pello property. Let me take you on a tour through this home. Ascending this stately apartment building, a hidden gem lies with unparalleled sophistication and refinement. As you enter, be greeted by the harmonious fusion of old world charm and sleek sophistication. The meticulously renovated interior seamlessly marries traditional architectural elements with modern amenities, creating a space that is both timeless and inviting. The open plan designer kitchen is well appointed and a true standout to this apartment, flowing easily into the living dining room. A private balcony awaits, offering the perfect vantage point to take in the breathtaking water views as a backdrop to toast the unforgettable sunsets. The bathrooms exude spa-like tranquility. All the bedrooms are oversized with built-in robes and ceiling fans. The master suite has a serene ambience, providing the perfect sanctuary to relax and unwind, and offers an oversized walk-in robe connecting to the ensuite. The apartment offers the flexibility to add a third bedroom, reconfiguring the property into a generous-sized 3-bedroom apartment with 2 lavish bathrooms. The location is world-class, with glorious Cremorne Point as your playground, offering one of the most coveted harbourside walks in all of Sydney. Buyers are going to absolutely love the easy access down to Cremorne Point Reserve and taking a stroll around the point. Being only a short stroll to Cremorne Point Ferry, Maccallum saltwater pool and express buses virtually on your doorstep to Neutral Bay, Mossman and Cremorne villages plus the city. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to welcoming you at the next inspection.